Some of you had, and Tom had the idea of heat, and blow dryer works. It's still kind of slow, but not as slow as the other, and it's coming up, and I'm thrilled.
Flawless light in a darkening air, alone shining there. Love will not elude you. Love is simple. I worship this tenacity and the beautiful struggle we're in.
And more spider web. Okay, how's that pine tile working?
Well, I haven't tried it on the floor yet.
So this is what we're using now on the cabinets. And push it all through here. Made a big difference. And that one little strip. And of course, across the wall. So we're gonna see how his pine saw matches. These are the trim that Tom thought maybe we could reuse. Nope.
Love will not elude us. Love is simple.
Okay, so this is a hack I learned from probably Instagram. You just tape a little plastic wrap, and then easy cleanup. Okay, I'm back from the chiropractor. You probably saw when I was doing this, like my arm hurts. In fact, it still hurts. Can't hold it up. These are looking a little bit better, but there's still a long way to go. I thought I could just start painting, but let me ask you, I would love to know your thoughts on this. What do you think on the very top shelf would be the purpose for having those hooks? There's a lot of them. Gotta unscrew each one. Oh my goodness. Just for a recap, this is what we're starting with. And that's what we're gonna end up with. Okay, just pulled out the last drawer, and this is what...
There's no mouse.
Yeah, there's no mouse. That's good. Just ordinary vinegar. Oops. Used vinegar and salt. That's what you put in there. And then little brasso at the end. Yeah. Okay, I just want you to see, this would have ended up on my fingers, and it's very hard to get off. This is how dirty the water is. That was the vinegar and salt. So, and then this is how dirty it is even after cleaning. And they're not perfect. They still need to be shined up. See, there's so much gunk that is coming off, and that fizzes the salt. Definitely better compared to these. So and even over here, there is more grease.
Be sure to know Be sure to know that all in love is ours, is ours, that all in love is that love is a philosophy, is simple. And
Okay, it is Friday the 13th, which in Italy is actually considered a good day. It's 8 a.m. because we are waiting to have our heat turned on. This is day 24, so 3 weeks here, and let me just show you what the place looks like. It doesn't at all help that I got sick with COVID and I'm still sick. I don't know if I still have COVID, but I am really weak. So I'll show you what the place looks like now. Yay. Very nice. Yay. Yay. Oh, it looks so nice. So with me being sick, we weren't able to finish the floor. And we just went ahead and set up the bed, and we will do the floor later. Okay, well, we still have a long way to go, but we're making progress, and that's what matters. And I'm feeling a little bit better, so stay tuned.
thank you. Thank you so much.